Right, so hey guys, so as you can tell, it's during the day, it's daytime, daylight, it means I'm on a day off. Yay! Although I didn't get out of bed until like 12 o'clock, which is quite bad really. But oh well. What a shame. Yeah. So, as I said, today's my day off, which means I have time to do stuff. For example, I have time to edit my vlogs in the morning rather than late at night, so that is what I'm doing right now, and I look a state in that video. Yay. I've got to go pick up my RAM for my Mac because that's been delivered now. Got to go down to Pottery to get that. I have slightly reorganised my room, ever so slightly. Got a few bits to sort out just there. Those to put away. Yeah. Also got pizza left over from last night, which is going to be my lunch, pretty much. Yeah. Awesome. So, yeah. Some stuff to sort out. Not a major amount. I might get my hair cut because it's getting extremely long. Too long, really. Yeah. So that will happen at some point today, or maybe tomorrow. And yeah, exciting stuff. So, anyway guys, I am going to get on with this editing of the vlog because it's priority. I'm going to eat some pizza at the same time. And then I am going to... What am I going to do? Go out, pick up my parcel, have a walk around Hanley, and get my hair cut. Yeah, sounds great. Really need a shave, but I forgot to have one this morning, so it'll happen tomorrow morning instead. Anyway guys, I'll see you in a bit. So as you can see, I've finally got my hair cut. Hurrah! Probably looks a lot better as well now. Picked up the RAM for the Mac. Hopefully that will run a lot better. So I'm going to go back, stick that in the Mac and see what happens. Really, we'll see in a bit. So the one thing I actually went out for is this. RAM for my Mac. Hopefully it will speed things up a bit, make my life easier. So I think what I'm going to do is sort this out first. I might time lapse it, see what it's like. It's really weird having short hair again, by the way. Really weird. So yeah, let's do this. So I suppose there's one thing left to do. Plug it back in. Let's see what sort of difference it makes. Now, I know what you're going to say, you've left the original RAM in. Yes, I will take it out in the future. However, right at this moment, I don't need to because I don't have the full 32 gig I will upgrade it up to. So far it's going up to technically 20 gig, which isn't too bad. It should run pretty decently. I didn't buy both at the same time because I wanted to make sure that this will do the job. So yeah, rather dusty in there though, dustier than I thought it would be. That was interesting. Anyway guys, I'm going to get this plugged back in and we'll see from there. Let's watch this Mac boot up now, and I know I need to green screen. So now I've no idea how well this will perform. I'm hoping pretty well. Obviously got to recognise that there's some more RAM installed. Yeah. So you've got to remember also this is a 2011 Mac. Now you're probably thinking, why have you bothered adding more to it. And the main reason is because I can't afford a new Mac at this moment in time. Spend 38 quid on 16 gig of RAM. It's a cheaper option right at this moment in time, so yeah. Exciting stuff. So let's see how this goes. Now you can see the reflection of me into the light in the screen. So hi. Yeah. Log in. I'll take this out of the way so you guys can't see me password. See what happens here. Let's go into about this Mac when it loads. Now, this is where I'm going to have some issues because you're then going to see my serial number. So, what I'm going to do is go into about this Mac, hold this receipt there. Loads. I don't want you guys to see the serial number. Come on. It's not very fast right now, is it? You need to recognise. $20 gig. There we go. 20 gig of memory. Hurrah. Your Mac contains 4 memory slots, each of which accepts that. 2 gig, 2 gig, 8 gig, 8 gig. So we've got 20 gig in there now. Exciting stuff. So yeah, at least the Mac's picking it up, and hopefully we'll notice some performance improvements. Hopefully. Exciting. Right, I've got to upload today's video as usual, because it's been a while. Well, it's ready now to be uploaded. Don't do that. It's not going to upload if I use that page. I have to go back to it. Oh look. Select files. And now you know how I save all my stuff. All my old videos all get saved together. Number 78. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'm going to sort this out. I'll be with you in a bit. So something I had actually gone out for was a new extension lead. Because I've laid out my room, I want to relocate the fan. So I still have my laptop there. I also want to get a lamp for the middle of my desk. But I want my fan over where I put the table, the unboxing table, because it fits better there, doesn't stick out like it did over here, and I can access the entirety of the TV unit now. So yeah, unfortunately the ones I saw earlier were like pretty expensive, and I'm not paying a lot of money for something that's just going to really have a fan on it. And maybe a lamp if I decide to put one over there as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to get 2 yet. Sorry, I'm trying to do a Geekbench score of my Mac now that it has got 20 gig in it. So I'm just currently interested to see how well it will do. So yeah, I know at the moment it's not the only application open, so I will redo it. But I'm more doing this right now due to interest. I'm interested to see what comes up. Seeing whether the 20 gig extra of, well, 16 extra gig of RAM will make a difference. My next upgrade victim is my laptop. which can be upgraded to 16, whereas this can be upgraded to 32. Yeah, I need a new battery for my laptop as well because it's dying. Doesn't last long, but yeah. So I'm going to, it's not far from finishing. It's getting there. Really is getting there. Oh, you can see the sort of stuff I've downloaded. Yay! So yeah, I don't download much, really, other than software that allows me to see what I need to upgrade. Yeah. Sorry if this is sounding boring. I'm trying to live my daily life, okay? It's one day, well, one of the 2 days where I'm able to just let you follow me around all day, because when I'm at work you can't come along because I'm not allowed to be seen in my videos in uniform. My uniform is quite obvious, so yeah. Some of you guys definitely know where I work, but other than that, it's not so bad. Alright, what is it saying? Not bad scores, not bad at all. So single core is 2,476 and multi-core is 6,901. Not bad at all. That's just doing it on 32-bit as well. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to have to go back out in a few minutes to try and get an extension lead so I can reclaim my desk back because it's getting cluttered. I also want an extended mouse pad because this one of mine is alright, but I just run out of room like most people do. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit, guys. So I finally picked up a extension lead. I've got some other bits to sort out, another job that I've been meaning to sort out for a while. No putting it off now. Hopefully it will do the job that I expect it to do. We'll have to wait and see on that one. Yeah. So I am now going to go pretty much back home and start working on those jobs because they need doing. I really need to wash the car as well, but I'm running out of time today. Might have to do it tomorrow because it's nearly 6 o'clock now. Doesn't feel like it, but it is. So see you in a bit, guys. So for the last hour probably, I have been working on some new cable management behind my TV because it was looking rather bad. I keep removing stuff and, well, unplugging stuff, but leaving the cables behind the TV. And I have to say, it looks a lot better now. I also redid all the LED strips. They're now glued on because nothing else seems to keep them there at the moment. All the stuff under here is in place again, and hopefully they shouldn't move. And yeah, exciting stuff, guys. Hopefully it'll be a lot tidier and stay tidy now because I want it to. Yeah, bit of wood left over from my other fix, which was down here. I just put these strips on backs of these shelves because it was getting annoying that you put something in place and it would just push either the shelf all the way or something else. Now the strips aren't actually glued in place, they're actually wedged in, and it is doing a good job. So they can stay wedged in rather than glued in because I can't be bothered to glue them in. Plus, if I wanted to take them off again, then it'd be a pain, and so on. So yeah, they can stay wedged in, and that's that. Yeah, not a lot else I can show you because that's really all I've been doing. Sounds bad, I know. Yeah, fans being relocated over to there. The new extension lead hidden all behind there, which is good because there isn't a socket in that corner. Annoying. Yeah, very annoying. But oh well. Yeah, that's about it really. At least I don't think there's a socket in that corner. Might have to have a look. Because if there is, then I'll be really annoyed because I've just gone and bought a longer cable than I probably need. But I suppose they come in handy every now and then. So yeah, that fan is plugged into that extension lead as well as the printer, because the lead didn't really reach down to behind the TV. So yeah. Anyway guys, I'll catch up with you in a bit. It is now like nearly 8 o'clock and I still haven't had food, which is bad because I hadn't realised what the time was. So yeah, see you in a bit guys. You know, something I haven't done in a while is watched a film. And to be fair, I quite fancy watching something. I've just got to decide. That's going to be the difficult part. I've got too many to decide from. DVDs, some Blu-rays, more Blu-rays. Yay! Lots to choose from. I'm just not sure what. So yeah. I am going to try and find something to watch. And yeah, I'll see you after the film guys, because I've got a creme brulee again to eat, which just needs to set now. And yeah, see you in a bit guys. So yeah, I've watched a film, Harry Potter in the end, which was good. Yeah, exciting stuff. But it's getting late now. This isn't helping with my making sure I feel awake when I'm at work, because I'll need another lay-in tomorrow morning, which will be fun. Yay. Oh well. So anyway guys, I'm going to finish this vlog here. Hope you've enjoyed it today. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome. Keep smiling. Smile always. And I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. See you later guys. Bye.